So we're going to make sense of this diagram here, and it's going to aid you in making your balance man. First of all, we're going to measure from the left side these measurements here. You can see that all the ones that start here, there's 5 measurements. The other thing to point out, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 holes to be drilled in, and their measurements are there also. So let's start by measuring the first one. The closest one is 1 and an 8. So we'll go 1 and an 8. I'll get in the way here. Still mark. Remember, this has been painted with the bluing. Then in the same spot, we'll go 1 and a half. This 1 and a half. I'll lay this down here, and there's 1 and a half. Even. Then if we look down here, there's 2 and a half. Doesn't matter, it's down here. We can do that up here. Then there's another one here that is 3 inches. And this one, 5 inches, is the length. Whoops, I'm sorry. The length of our balance man. It's a little shorter than that, but that's okay. So now we take our square, draw lines on all our measurements. Don't have to draw too hard. Whoops, that one moved. So we've got this line, this line, this line, and this line. But now we need one down halfway. So that's done by, this is 1.5 inches, so 1/2 of 1.5 inches is 3/4. So put a 3/4 there, and a 3/4 here. And draw our line. Push this down hard. Okay, now we've laid out our basic lines we're going to need. I don't know if you can see that or how well you can see that. It's a line there, a line there, a line there going this way, and then one down the center. Once you got your lines drawn, or scribed is the better word, show the instructor and get the okay to go on to the next step. So this may help. What we're going to do here is just show you on the actual drawing, and we're going to make those 4 scribe marks and then one down the middle. The little red arrow is just the length of the whole piece of metal. So here we got the 4 lines in as I demonstrated. Then we're going to mark 3/4 of an inch in the middle and check it with the other side, and also on the far end we're going to do 3/4 and 3/4 to check it. We're going to scribe a line right down the center. So that's 5 lines I want you to scribe. And be sure to get the instructor to check it. Now you finished part 1 of the layout.